Hi everyone, so I'm going to be doing some example solves for 3 by 3 and the scrambles are in the description if you want to follow along. Okay, so here's the first scramble. Okay, so this is the first scramble. So I can see that I'm doing yellow cross. I do white and yellow cross only. So here I can see that this pair is connected and this edge matches up with this and this is already in place. So I'll do one move to match this up with the red. Then do R prime U R2 D R prime D L prime F2 L2. So X cross is done and I can see this edge and this corner is already in place. So I'll do a D prime, rotate L prime U to L to insert this D. Two pairs. Now this pair is very easy. Remove this and insert. And these two, and since there are no edges, I'll do a finish with a sledgehammer to insert the pair. So I can see this, and these two are matching, and these two are opposite. So I can do OLL CP, and in this case, it skipped the PLL also. Okay, so here's the second scramble. In this scramble, I do white cross. So these two are opposite of their color, so it's easy. And this one, and there's also a pair here, so I'll keep that in mind. So I'll do R prime D L2 F prime D. Then I'll insert this pair, then I'll finish the cross. Then for this pair, I do R2 U2 R prime U prime I prime R2 to solve this. Then this pair, and these two are misoriented, these two are oriented, so I know I'll get EO, so I'll get EO. Then I'll do this COL, which is kind of like a checkerboard. Then Q perm. Okay, so for this camel I do yellow cross, and these two are this is green is opposite blue, and this is here. So I'll do a D prime to set this up to opposite. Then I'll do L F prime. So these three are opposite. Now I just have to do a D2 to align the cross. And I already saw this pen inspection. So and this won't move, so I'll keep that in mind. So I'll do D2 F2 to finish the cross. Then I'll straight away go into this pair, R prime U2 R to insert. And then I can see this pair. So I'll probably do that. Rotate, insert. Then I'll do this pair. And while doing this, I know that this will be set up to a good 3-move insert. Set up, inserted. Then I'll get this OLL and then A perm. Okay, so for this scramble, I can see there's a block here, and a block here, and orange edge is in place. This is one move away from solved. Because I know that this block is here and this edge is here. So I'll do a D L prime U prime R prime F L prime. So a really nice X cross, and then straight away go into this pair, then rotate this pair. And I know that since this is here and this is here, I'll get a easy 3-move insert for the last pair. Rotate, insert, then this OLL, and because these two are opposite and these two are opposite, I know I'll get CP solved, and then U perm. Okay, so here's the next scramble. It's actually pretty similar to the previous scramble with block here and this here. I can track this edge, and I know after I do a D prime to bring these two opposite, this one will go here, and when I insert this piece, it will come in front. So and this pair is here, so I'll do D prime, U prime, L prime, R prime F, B2, and I know the edge will come here. Then I'll straight away insert this D prime. Then this pair. Then this pair, then I'll do this pair, then I 6-mover OLL, and then G perm. Okay, so for this scramble, I can see there's a block here and the corresponding edge is here, and this one is already solved. So I think I'll do something like L2 to bring this up, D2 R U prime F prime D2 X cross, and I'll solve the last edge. Now I'll solve this pair, then this pair, then this pair, and I get EO also. Then these two are matching, so I'll do COLL and then U prime. Okay, so here's the next scramble. I think I can get an X cross here. There's a the green orange piece is here and the edge is here, and these two are nicely set up. So I'll do R D2 B prime R prime, and the reason I did the B prime to bring this edge down. Then I can do wide R prime UR to insert this and X cross. Okay, so for now I can see this pair. I'll do this, remove this, insert, and then this pair, then this pair, and I can skip OLL by doing a sledgehammer and then a bicep. Okay, so for this scramble, I can see this pair is already in position, so I'll have to save it, and this edge is here and the other pieces are here. So I think I'll just do a F prime L2 F to bring this, solve this edge, and then I can insert it like this also, but this will ruin the pair. And if I insert it like this, it will give me a nice setup for this pair and the edge will be inserted. So I'll do this, then straight away going to this pair. Then I can insert this without rotation, then U2 RU R prime U2 R prime, then OLL and G prime. Okay, so this scramble I'll do yellow cross, and it's really easy. I think 4 moves, and I'll do these two are already solved, these two are here, so I'll do D R prime D prime. Then I saw this pen inspections, and instead of straight away doing R prime and messing these two up, I'll do U prime first, then R prime to set up a nice 3 move insert. Then I see this pair, which is 2 gen, then this pair, and then last pair. Okay, so OLL and these two are same, these two opposites, so I know I'll get a diagonal PLL like N perm or Y perm, and I got N perm, so I'll do. Okay, so for this scramble I'll do white cross, and it's a straightforward cross. I'll do D R prime F, and I can see that these two will get connected when I do D R prime F. So I insert this first and then insert the pair first, then insert the cross edge. So I'll do D R prime F, then I'll insert the pair, then cross edge. Okay, so this will be my next pair. Remove this, insert, and these two, which is 2 gen, insert. Now I can see that I'll use a rotational L for this case, so I'll do R B L U prime B prime L prime R. Okay, and then I'll do this COLL, and then because this is a U prime from this angle and there's a U2 AUF, so I'll just do the L which skips AUF. Okay, so here are the example solves. Thanks for watching.